Amazon Rekognition is AWS computer vision service. Instead of building your own AI model, you simply send an image or video to Rekognition. It automatically detects objects, people, faces, text, and much more, then returns the results to your Python program. These are the most common image analysis APIs. Detect labels identifies objects like dogs, cars, and trees. Detect faces analyzes faces and attributes such as smiles or glasses. Detect text extracts words from signs, receipts, and documents. Face recognition starts by creating a collection, which acts as a face database. You then register people using index faces. Later, search faces by image finds matching faces, while compare faces checks whether two photos belong to the same person. You can also list or delete collections when needed. Rekognition also provides advanced AI capabilities. It can analyze videos, detect unsafe or inappropriate content, recognize celebrities, and even check whether workers are wearing helmets, safety vests, and gloves. These APIs are widely used in media platforms, security systems, and industrial safety applications.